Hello, today I'm in Suzuki Across. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster, answer phone calls, activate voice assistant, and change radio volume. On the right side, we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control, deactivate it, and manage it. Thanks to this button you can enable lane assistant and front collision warning. Thanks to this button you can change radio source, and thanks to these buttons you can change radio station. Of course, if you press right here you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.